So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things. One, how to assemble your propeller drive, and then how to interchange all your different drives out of your Pro pedal kayak. So once you get your pedal drive, you'll basically get all these different parts in the box here. You'll see it's a really compact pedal drive. We really wanted that in this version. It's got a gear version, pedal drive system. So you'll first go ahead and pull that pin, extend the arm out, and redeploy the pin again. Next, you'll go ahead and loosen the bolts here. Slide the arm into place. Center it. I'm going to tighten. Don't over tighten. You can crack. But obviously don't leave it too loose. Just enough for where it won't slide around. See, I'm not putting too much pressure on there at all. Next, you'll go ahead and put the splash guard in. So it drops into place. Grab these two screws. Take your Allen key, wrench, and tighten both. Next, you'll move to your pedals. There's a right and left. Should be fairly easy, and simply just line them up so that they are diagonal with each other. You'll take your bolts, so the big bolts here, put them in, tighten, don't over tighten. Repeat on the other side. Keep your tools for later maintenance if needed. And you're all set up. You have your propeller drive system all set up, ready to go. Now these kayaks come ready equipped to handle the propeller drive. So you'll simply lift the cover plate out of the way, drop the pedal drive in place, lock these two. You could either leave it hinged like this if you're launching, or if you're needing to deploy, drop it down and lock the third pin. Replace the cover plate. Make sure the bungees are out of the way. Bungee it down. And that's it, ready to go. Forward or reverse. Now, if you wanted to switch out to the motor, simply lift the cup holder up. Unclip there, hinge that up, leave that hinged, unlock these two, and simply lift that in place. If you wanted to be a little bit tighter of a storage, you can fold your pedal arm, and you're good to storage it away. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and switch out to a motor, you'll simply grab our motor kit. This is the PKTM trolling motor. It also comes in black now. I believe it's exclusively in black. And it uses the same mounting point. Just drop it in place. Let me get that a little bit more smooth. So to place the motor in, you simply just take it. It uses the same mounting hardware. Drop it in, lock the two pins. Line the rope. Drop it in, lock the third pin. Put your plate back on, and now you're ready to go with the motor. You can put your battery up front here. You can put your battery inside. To go ahead and switch to the flipper drive now, you'll simply remove the cover, take the motor out, put it off to the side here. Now you'll need to remove this black box, assembly box we call it. You'll unscrew these 4 points right here. You will lift out the box, put that off to the side. This box will come with the flipper drive option, or if you buy a flipper drive separately later, you'll need to get this box separate. Now, arrows are going to be pointing towards the rear. You'll push down on the box until you get some space on the screw. Find that section and then just tighten it. No need to over tighten anything here. Give it a couple of cranks until it gives you some pressure there. All right, so now you have your assembly box installed. You'll grab your flipper drive system, okay, with the numbers 1 facing towards you. You'll drop it in place and simply lock down the mechanisms. Now this is a flipper style kayak instead of propeller. So you have all 3 options available with these models. Here's how you work it. Good luck making that decision.